Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Jake from MSquaredMotorsports. Today I got a few things we're going to show you. A, the best mod you can do for under $30. I believe you go through Amazon, it's $25. Go through FT86 Speed Factory, it is about $28 before shipping. 2, we're going to be doing a full fluid swap on this car. Brake fluid, oil, rear diff fluid, and transmission fluid, or gender neutral fluid, whatever they call it these days. I don't know. But let's get to it, guys. And if you like what I'm showing you, hit a like, subscribe, and turn on that little bell notification so you guys can be aware every time I post some new garbage for you to watch. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm not going to insult your intelligence by showing you how to do an oil change. Pretty sure if you own one of these, you know what you're doing. But this is the part I was talking about. It's a flip valve that replaces your drain plug. And it's under $30, all the hoses included, and it makes oil changes lightning fast. So I'm going to install this on the car and then do the rest of the fluid. So let's get to it. Alright guys, while that oil is draining, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do what I call the poor man, or lazy man's, brake fluid swap. I won't be bleeding the brakes. I'll do that later when I replace the discs and the calipers. But my brake light's constantly been on for months, so I'm going to take the dirty old fluid out of the reservoir, refill it with a little bit of new fluid. Should get me by until I get pads and rotors, here in the next couple months. Let's get to it. Alright, oh man, I forgot to turn the mic on again. Oh no, the mic was on the whole time. Alright guys, I found out I had to modify this syringe a bit. See if it works this time. As you can see, I got the master cylinder as empty as I possibly could with my cheap electrical tape syringe. So now I'll be adding the brake fluid, which is be running the Motul RBF 600.4 racing brake fluid, which will... Alright guys, we're into the car and I'm going to show you where and how this mounts up. And one of the safety features it comes with this kit you get from Fumoto, you get a crush washer, and you get a clip that goes over, well, I just dropped the crush washer, a clip that goes over your valve, your little valve switch. So This is really hard to do holding the camera, so I'm gonna put you guys down and then show you the finished product. Hey guys, if you're wondering what oil I'm gonna be running, I'll be running Liqui Moly's SAW30. I like this stuff. We put it in all of our farm vehicles because you put about 4 quarts of this in, and then you dump in their ceramic fluid, and it'll ceramic coat the inside of your engine, protecting it from wear. We've run this on our skid loaders, I think 3 of our tractors, so why not put it in the car? I mean, it comes from Germany. It is pricey, but it's worth it in the end because it'll help protect your engine transmission. Alright guys, I got the rear diff draining right now. I decided to skip the transmission because this car is automatic, so it's a different transmission than the manual. The drain plugs are different, and there's a little different process you gotta go through with this. So I gotta research it a little more, and then I'll try again. If I feel uncomfortable, I'll just take it to a shop. But I'll let you guys see the rear diff. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, just refilled the rear diff with some Gear 300 from Motul. 70, it's 75 weight 90. I think it takes 1.1 liters. Transmission takes 2.2 liters of the same fluid. But like I said, I gotta do more research on the tranny. I'm not a mechanic. So once I do a little bit more research on the transmission, I'll get back to you guys with that video. But for now, I'm calling it quits. I'm losing daylight. It's cold. I still gotta pick up most of these tools and put my skid plates back on before nightfall. So for now, this is Jake from MSquaredMotorsports, and I'm signing off. If you guys like what you saw, drop a like, subscribe, comment. Be sure to turn on those bell notifications.